How to use Grabpay Wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Grabpay Wallet. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Then tap on Finance at the bottom center of your screen. Next, tap on Let's Go to start setting up your Grabpay Wallet. Here, enter your name as required to proceed. After that, go back and tap on Add a card to link a payment card if needed. Next, return to the Finance section and explore other financial services available with Grabpay later. Then, check Finance settings to confirm all settings are properly configured. Finally, check your Grabpay wallet to make sure your account is ready for payment. With everything set, you're now ready to use Grabpay wallet for your purchases. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.